Okay, I'm just going to film this because I've got to cut two branches off. That one about there and that one about there. That'll cut them two and it should make some room. I've cut that one. There. So the next one, that other one sort of there, that one. There. That's that. Still alive, that's good. Yeah. Made a big archway so cars can get through. Take this over the rubbish. So this is the third time now that I will have done this one, this pitostrum or pitostrum, since it was square. It was a big tall rectangle one. Now I've worked it into a circle shape. I think today I can make it a perfect wall. So if all goes to plan, it should look pretty good. Leave that there, hopefully that stays there, and get to work. Still hurting from cutting that tree down earlier. Oh, there's Birdie. There she is. It's nice and round. Alright, going from here up to that Daphne bush. To there. Let's see how it looks after. There. So I got 4 buckets. Up to the Daphne. It's a little bit hard too. Definitely not my easiest job. But she's done there. On to the next one. Alright, so I'll just go along here, along here, along here, up Brandy. Up to here, a step, here, into there, now I'm up here. Yeah, that's the best I can do with a push mower. It's like a paddock, but should have used a ride on it really. Dogwood tree. Look at it. Really nice. See in here, there's lots of grass growing. It disguises itself until the seed heads pop up, then it's time to get them out. Well, it should have been out earlier, but get up before now and after in a minute, or in an hour. There's a bit like a forest in there. Oh, all them out. Still more too. I'm just going to share a bit of knowledge that I've learnt today. This is cherry blossom, and on top of it, see what's going on? Curly leaf, and it's coming from black cherry aphids. There they are, little black cherry aphids. I'll zoom in here so I can see them. There. And look. Oh, there's one on my glove already. There you go. And the ants actually crawl up the tree trunk. Then they lay their eggs. Get off here. They lay their eggs on the leaf. So they're crawling up and down the trunk. See one going up there now, and they go up, lay their eggs, and out they go. Look at them all. Black cherry aphids. To get rid of them, white oil, strong powerful hose is another way of wash them off. And they say just cut it off. So you want to cut it down there, but I'd probably do all 3. I'd put some ant spray or something around the trunk, and then I'd cut them off as well, and then I'd hose it down, and then you should get rid of them. But yeah, what a pain. And also you can't put that in your green waste bin because then they spread everywhere too. That's them. So I'll get to it.